We're Group Rain and we're here to explain what cloud computing is,
the history behind it,
how it works,
the problem it causes,
and finally, where technology is heading.
There are three major types: public, private, and hybrid. A public cloud is a network that is accessible by all users throughout the world. An example of a public cloud would be wikipedia.org. A private cloud restricts access to those that can use it. Citrix is an example of a private cloud, as users must gain a license before they are able to access the software. A hybrid cloud is made up of both a public and private cloud. This allows certain portions to be accessed by the public while other portions are restricted. Facebook could be considered a hybrid cloud, as users have the option to restrict access to their profile. It's used by social media users and for corporate management. It's also often used for educational purposes and group projects.
In 1999, Salesforce.com pioneered cloud computing by delivering applications through websites. This began software application delivery via the internet and led to Amazon's web services, which debuted in 2002. This was the first cloud-based storage. In 2006, Amazon evolved their services into the Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, which allowed companies to rent computers to run their applications using the web. The next big event for the cloud was the implementation in 2009 of Google Apps, which features Mail, Calendar, Documents, and Photos. These services have become commonplace in social networking sites.
Cloud computing consists of a client which the user interacts with, and a network which in most cases is the internet. The network interacts with computer servers and data storage in order to form the cloud of computer services. The system is controlled by a set of protocols which is controlled by software called middleware. This middleware allows all networked computers to communicate within the cloud. The system makes a copy of the client's data and stores it on separate machines or storage devices. This allows for data to be stored so malfunctions will not destroy the user's information.
There are many issues with cloud computing that discourage many from employing its various benefits. One of these are the increase in demand of storage. It is reported that cloud computing requires twice the number of storage space as standard networks for redundancy, so that in the event of hardware loss, no user information is lost. This is also true if users wish for constant access without downtime. Then the network information must be transferred to these storage devices in order for another server to process requests while the server that typically operates the cloud is in maintenance. This allows uninterrupted access to information at all times.
Cloud computing definitely has a strong future ahead of itself. It's only just starting out and has a lot of potential. Part of this potential lies in how it can develop. Some gaming companies have already started on it, but others are going to be utilizing the idea of cloud computing for video games more and more often. It's a growing trend and something to look forward to in the spectra for future gaming consoles.